Hi, I'm Barry from Podhome, and today I want to talk about Podhome AI, our wonderful helper that creates transcripts, chapters, detects people, and creates clips for you. So, this is Podhome, and here we are in one of our episodes to see its settings. Now, in here we can see things like the title, description, episode type, and more. From here, I can use Podhome AI. I can also use that when I create a new episode right there and just enable it and select what I want it to do for me. But in this case, I want to use that on my existing episode here. So let's start it. I want all of it. So generate episode description and title ideas, generate chapters, and generate clips as well. And then we start. All right, here it goes. So it can take a minute or so to get the transcript ready and create all of the things like chapters, show notes, title suggestions, and clips. And this page will refresh automatically. Now you can go and do something fun as we send you an email when this whole process is done. I'll skip ahead to when this is done. And here we are, it's done. This took about 1.5 minutes to process. And this is then an episode that is about 50 minutes. So it varies, but it's pretty quick. Now, when you ask Podhome AI to generate title ideas and show notes, you will see this screen. So here are some title ideas. I think this one is nice. Fill it on. Fill it in here. That's great. And it generated some show notes for me as well. Now keep in mind that this is obviously AI generated, so you need to check this yourself to see if it doesn't contain nonsense. All right, let's continue. So we have our title, we have our description as well. What it also did for us is to create a transcript, which is great. Here we see the whole transcript with some speakers that are unknown. Now, when I click in the transcript, it will play the utterances of that section in the transcript. You might want to update your transcript as we might get some words wrong, and we have highlighted those that might need attention, like this, for instance, which is clearly wrong. Now, what you can do here for the transcript is you can download an SRT and a VTT file. These are caption files that we create for you that you can, for instance, use on YouTube, and some player apps also use them as well. You can also copy the script that you see right here, and you can customize that by using show speaker in script and show timestamps in script, and then just copy it and paste it, for instance, in your blog. We also include this in your RSS feed. This whole script, including the timing and the speakers as well, so that player apps can use it and show it to your users. Now let's see what else it did. It created some chapters for us. That is very neat. So we have our introduction, and we can listen to that as well from here. We can augment this by creating chapter artwork and uploading that. Let's see. We have this one, relationship between stress and burnout. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. Again, always check Podhome AI's work. But this looks pretty good. Now, it also attempts to detect people that you have within your episode. So here we have 2 speakers that it found. I can listen to the audio clip of this speaker, which is the intro of my episode. And this one here is a different person. And then I can attach a person to that. Now, let's see. I know that that is myself here. So I'll attach myself to this speaker in the episode. This can take a bit. Here we go. And what we'll see is that now in the transcript, I am resolved. So this is me, and the transcript knows it. And this is now also visible within the SRT and VTT caption files. Pretty cool. Let's see. It also came up with some clips for me to use. A bunch, actually. So these are short clips that you can adjust here yourself with the start time and duration. You can also download them to use them as promotion for this episode, or to use them in the episode audio itself, for instance, to stick them in the front of it, which is pretty cool. We include these clips as soundbite tags within your RSS feed so that player apps that support that tag can show these to your users as well. As you can see, Podhome AI just took a lot of work out of my hands by creating the whole transcript, creating chapters, detecting people and detecting clips, and come up with title ideas and show notes. It's pretty neat. You can use that freely within your Podhome account for all of the episodes and shows that you have. Now, for more of these features, go to podhome.fm and get started with your own account.